Hey there, cookie lovers. Today, we're going to make some delicious choco chip cookies. Let's start mixing our ingredients. In a large bowl, combine the granulated sugar, brown sugar, and salt. Next, add the melted butter and stir until well incorporated. Then add the egg and vanilla extract and mix until everything is combined. Now, it's time to add the dry ingredients. Mix in the flour and baking soda until the dough starts to come together. Finally, fold in the chocolate chunks. You can use milk or semi-sweet chocolate chunks, or even dark chocolate chunks, depending on your preference. Once the dough is mixed, it's time to scoop it onto a baking sheet. Use a cookie scoop to portion out the dough, and place each scoop about 2 inches apart on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake the cookies in a preheated oven at 350 F175C for about 12 minutes, or until the edges are just starting to turn golden brown. Let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. And there you have it, folks. Delicious choco chip cookies that are perfect for any occasion. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching and happy baking!